I was able to do some more queen rearing, and we got 6 out of 9 queens pulled out. And I didn't use the cloak board method or anything. I basically just made a hive queenless, made it real strong, fed it, and as strong as I could, and grafted off our original queen, and the queen frame in, and they pulled out beautiful. They were about as long as 2 knuckles on your pinky finger, so that was pretty good and looked really awesome. In the meantime, I checked a couple of the hives, and they actually started, some of the queenless hives rather, they had already pulled out their own queens, and they seem to be doing well. So check it out. So we started with 1, and now we have 9. This guy right here has got a queen cell in it. That guy's got a queen cell. That guy has a laying queen. That's the one that we created on the first run. That guy has a queen that they pulled out on their own. That guy right there has a queen cell. That one has a queen laid it on its own. The big one right here, it's got a queen, laying queen. That's the original queen. She made it back to a larger colony. This guy is a queen cell, and this little guy in front is a queen cell as well. The guy in the very back is empty right now. So we're looking at 9 hives so far. So hopefully we'll be able to get these guys going. I'm not going to split anymore until one of these hives gets strong enough to be able to split. So currently we're at 9 hives with 4 scene queens and 5 queen cells, and I know for certain that we have 2 laying queens. So I'm going to attempt to mark this guy right here, this girl right here. Okay, we'll see how that goes. I got a lot of bees around me, so wish me luck.